Racing just is started with Pinky's Magic. Break quick, let us start rushing about the outside is Aura at Labora. Favorite Chanel comes next. Desai, Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang, Charm, Offensive. In between horses, Pasaporte. Isa pa. Congregation, Wild Babes, Magic is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have the quick is striding Pinky's Magic on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. And in second is Aura at Labora. Favorite Chanel comes next. Desai moving upon the outside now is Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang, Charm, Offensive. In between horses, the next online isa pa, Pasaporte, Congregation, Wild Babes, Magic is still racing in less than a 4 turn with Pinky's Magic. A solo flight leads by about 6 lengths, and in second now is favorite Chanel moving upon the outside is Charm, Offensive, Aura at Labora. Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang comes next. Desai and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Pinky's Magic enjoying a 5 lengths lead. Favorite Chanel in second. Charm, Offensive remains in third. Last 75 meters. We have Pinky's Magic followed by favorite Chanel, Charm, Offensive, and finally Pinky's Magic. Favorite Chanel, Charm, Offensive, Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang, isa pa. Congregation for your Super 6.
Alright, 2-0 na para kay Apprentice RB Simplicio, this time on Pinky's Magic. Masisigundo, numero 10, favorite Chanel, then 5, Charm of